Weekend trade prep for Monday, levels above and below. It's all about price action focus this weekend. Aloha, welcome. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal. Day trading for ROI payout, no trade recommendations. It's just a trade journal. And we're really going to focus on a couple of charts today. I'm forever a student of the markets. I want to this week take my price action reads to another level. I'm going to start with these two charts for the weekend, keep it real simple, the 24-hour and the 120. So let's get at it. Take two on price action for the 24-hour. Monday, February 13th, this candle, it hitting the low on the body, 25.7. That sets the stage the rest of the week. So this price action right here will be also a level for the new week. So 25.7 was hit 4 out of 5 days with at least a candle wick. And every single time, the body closes were all above. In fact, the body closes were very near the overnight pivot of Friday Globex at 44.5. Notice the bodies. So I'm going to have two levels at the very least, 25.7, 45.5. We closed last Friday at 49.5, but what's got my attention on the upper buy side liquidity is these relative highs that happened on these two candles. On the red, Wednesday, middle of the week, these come in 65 and change, so 65.5, and note the body on the red candle went a bit higher, but then we had the sell algo. The body of the candle still didn't reach the 1944.5, but it got into that zone. So again, that's why I've got three levels: the pivot, the body low of Monday, and again, the relative highs of these two candles. So that's the three major focuses for this chart. I don't want to get it really more complicated than that, than adding the PAL pivot from the rate hike of February was 58.5, and then the anchored VWAP was 43.3. So let's just call it the same level of the overnight pivot Friday, anchored VWAP. That's totally a level. All right. So that kind of gives my basic study plan over and over, get these price levels down for the Monday trade. So it's tattooed on my brain, and the next thing is the 120. I'm going to hit price action and a little bit of order flow. I'll start with that. So on the order flow down here, you can see where Thursday, Friday, no demand on the strength of the hits, and then no supply when we have Friday. So very interesting, even though we had a candle go down to almost the Monday lows. Again, that's 25.7 from the 24-hour. So you can see again 25.7 right here, and 25.7 is not quite hit, but close enough, right around 26 on this candle right here. This was the Europe Globex pivot candle for Friday. So again, this 120 has me looking further up on a sell side liquidity on these candle bodies, again, from Europe Globex to the RTH AM morning. I've got relative lows coming in at 31.2, 31.2. That's the level. Sell side liquidity below this. I'm going to watch this. And what I'm looking at is this upper Bollinger Band. And again, we've got these candles here, and this is a zone. I'm looking at these two candles with relative highs and 63.5, 63.5. So that's a bit lower than the 24-hour, but it's in the neighborhood. They're neighbors, the 24-hour and the 120. So there you have it. It doesn't have to get more complex than that. And the confluence is these Bollinger Bands with the circles, upper, lower. I've got the rectangle box, and I've got the 53.2 high, and I've got this 9 EMA gold in the middle Bollinger Bands. Let's see what happens for Monday.